morning students. Today I will describe you about nucleus. As you know that nucleus, that is brain of the cell. Each and every cell have nucleus, and nucleus plays important role in the formation of each and every cell, because it is the brain of the cell. First of all, we know about who discovered it. About discovery, the Scottish botanist Robert Brown, who discovered it, and he has says that this nucleus is present in each and every cell. So students, see here, this is the structure of nucleus. In the structure of nucleus, you see that this is a spherical body. This spherical body is found each and every cell. This is a figure of cell. In the center, you see this is the nucleus. In nucleus, you observe that there are mainly four parts. These four parts are nuclear membrane, nucleolus, chromatin thread, and nucleoplasm. Students, see here, this outermost covering, that is also known as nuclear envelope, which is covered by nuclear membrane. A membrane is covered the nucleus outer side, which is bilayer, two layer की membrane है. That membrane is covered the nucleus. Nucleus is a spherical body, गोलाकार shape में होता है. You observe here that a endoplasmic reticulum which can centralize the nucleus at the center point into the cell. This endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. That is, one is rough endoplasmic reticulum, जिसको कहते हैं rough ER. This rough ER, it means rough ER. These are the ribosomes. These ribosomes play important role in the formation of protein. See here, ribosomes are the unit of protein formation. If ribosomes are found on that endoplasmic reticulum, this endoplasmic reticulum is called rough endoplasm. On another side, the endoplasmic reticulum which is smooth, no ribosomes are found, that endoplasmic reticulum is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Come to the another point, into the center region. When we go into the nucleus, we observe that the next point, that number is nucleolus. Nucleolus is also the center point of that nucleus. It controls the whole activities of the nucleus. This is known as nucleolus. Nucleolus आप इस तरह भी समझ सकते हैं कि जैसे किसी स्कूल का प्रिंसिपल जो है वह उस स्कूल की मेन गवर्निंग बॉडी है, लेकिन उसके ऊपर भी उसका कंट्रोलिंग पॉइंट उसका मैनेजर होता है. ठीक उसी प्रकार यह न्यूक्लियस है और इसके ऊपर इसका मैनेजर जो है वह न्यूक्लियोलस. सी द अनदर पॉइंट दैट इज प्रेजेंट हियर, दैट इज chromatin thread. Thread-like structures, they are embedded into the nucleoplasm. thread-like structure है, एकदम thread-like structure, और इसके साथ heterochromatin भी होता है, and it forms the DNA, या DNA का formation करेगा. Then after that you see in the center point, that is nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm, which is a liquid matter, which is found into the center region of this nucleus. So see here, this is the figure of chromosome. In between chromosome, you see this is the center point known as centromere. Centromere have two arms on the one side and two arms on the another side. The centromere, these arms are known as chromatin, which is two on one side and two on the another side. As you can see here, each and every cell have chromosomes, and their chromosome number will be different in different cells. Like at human, 46 number of chromosomes. If we observe in pairs, that is 23 pairs. In onion, it means you observe in onion, that is 16 total number of chromosomes, and in pairs 8 pairs. Grasshopper 24 number, and in case of fern, you observe that their number will be 1260, which is the largest number. So you see, each and every cell have 2 pairs of chromosome. Each and every cell have 2 pairs of chromosome. One is haploid cell. On the basis of this, one is haploid cell, another cell is diploid cell. Each cell divides. After division, new cells are formed. So you observe, during the time of division, the nucleus divides, and the division of nucleus is called karyokinesis, and after that cytoplasm divide, and the cytoplasm division is known as cytokinesis.